Hello my people. In this video we will see how to view your Epic Games library on mobile. Because want to check your Epic Games library while you are away from your PC. It's easier than you think. Here is how to do it. Signs. There is no dedicated library app. Open your mobile browser and head over to the official Epic Games website. For example, click in Google and that's it. Login in your account, click here and click here. Once you're in, tap to the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and tap on your username at the bottom. Tap on account and then look for the apps and games section. This is where your entire collection is listed. Right. You can see all your climate. In these settings, click transaction purchase, and here you will select. You can remember, you can see all your climate and purchase games, their status, and even manage your Connect account right from your phone. For example, Fall Guys and PUBG Battlegrounds. That's all, everyone. I invite you to subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed, and most importantly, share it with your friends. Until next time.